Julie Ann San Jose! Grabe, patikim pa lang yan ang mga dapat nating asahang pasabog today dahil matapos sila makipaglaban sa weekly round to the semifinals, siguradong handang-handa na sila.
Naku, tama ka dyan, Ray.
Yes.
Nakaka-excite kasi mas inspired sila ngayon kasi bit-bit nila ang pangalan ng OPM icon na nagpanalo sa kanila.
Kantaan with the best of the best na talaga ito. So para matulungan tayo to decide kung sino magiging grand winner, syempre, meron tayong mga bigating OPM icon judges.
Yes, mga kapuso at mga kaayos, let's meet our iconic OPM judges. First up, he is known as the original prince of Pinoy pop, isang singer, songwriter, and of course, hit maker, Mr. Ding Dong Avanzado!
Ang ating second judge ay isang musical force in OPM, isang batikang composer, arranger, conductor, and musical director behind countless OPM classics. Please welcome Maestro Louie Ocampo!
And last but not the least, siya ay isang multi-awarded singer, actress, producer, and a true OPM icon. Baon ang kanyang legendary status as the one and only concert queen, our third judge, Miss Pops Fernandez.
Good afternoon po sa ating mga icons and thank you so much for being part of Sing My Song. Talagang legit na naman ang pinakamasayang singing competition na ito dahil nandito sila, Julie.
Grabe rin nung bigatin, no?
Yes.
At syempre, bago natin mapanood ang mga hinanda nilang performances, judges, meron po ba kayong quick advice sa ating mga finalists?
Sir Ding Dong?
Sir Ding Dong?
Hi, Julie. Hi, River. Hello, everybody. I'm very excited actually ngayon kasi lahat, sa umpisa pa lang nakikita ko, magagaling, mahuhusay na vocalist na kayo. And at this point, I would say na, you know, walang tulak kabigin. Kung sino man ang manalo sa inyo, you all deserve it. But I think yung mananalo talaga is the one that can bring it on. Yung talagang mapaninindigan kung ano yung i-interpret ninyo ngayong araw na to. So, good luck to all of you and may the best performer win.
Yes. Sir Louie?
Yes, this is very exciting, no? This is really the best of the best dito sa Sing My Song. So wag kayong nervyosin, just have fun, be yourself, and enjoy the moment because you are the best of the best. So, good luck sa inyong lahat.
Miss Pops?
Hi, sobrang agree ako dito sa dalawang kasama ko. No? You have reached this level because kayo na yung napili na magagaling. So, today, enjoyin nyo lang yung moment nyo. Namdamin nyo yan. There is a reason why you guys are chosen to be here today. Hindi kasi lahat mananalo, di ba? Isa lang. Pero sometimes, yung hindi nagwawagi, minsan yun ang may pa-surprise later on. So, no matter what, galingan nyo pa rin. Because you never know when that great opportunity knocks, di ba? So, whatever it is, walang sama ng loob. Just do your best. Kung hindi man kayo maging fortunate today, tomorrow might be your day.
Ayan. Grabe talaga. Naantig yung puso ko rin. Words of
Grabe.
wisdom, no? From the greatest.
Masarap pakinggan, masarap sa pakiramdam.
From our dear OPM icons. Kaya naman, thank you so much sa ating OPM icons. And of course, speaking of icons, gusto rin namin batiin ng happy birthday aming beloved consultant for BDD3 at pangalawang ina naming lahat dito sa AOS, Miss Darling de Jesus Motegon!
Yes, happy birthday, Miss D!
Miss D, happy birthday. We love you
Miss
so
D!
much!
Grabe, icon na icon ka sa puso naming lahat.
We
Happy
love you,
birthday,
Miss D!
Alright. And with that, handa na ang lahat. Kaya when we return, simulan na natin ang grand face-off dito sa
Sing My Song! Riel Amadilla!
Riel!
Mga kaayos! Grabe naman yung ikaw na. Diba? Binigyan mo ng sarili mong rendition ang awitin ng South Border. Maestro Louie, tumagos ba yun sa inyong puso?
Sobra, talaga. Alam mo, Riel, yung to sing a South Border song, mahirap kasi yung mga, yung mga kanta nila, no? You did perfectly fine from beginning to end. Again, tapos, grabe yung mga kulot mo, ha? Aside mo yung kulot mo sa buhok, yung kulot mo rito sa tono, ang ganda. Everything was in place. You chose the right places to do your embellishments sa music embellishments. Ang galing. I was floored. So, congratulations.
Thank you po. Oh my gosh, ba't ako naiiyak over? Thank you po.
Sir Ding Dong?
Grabe. What a performance, really. Honestly, talagang, I mean, R&B it really is your lane. And I can understand ba't sinabi ni Jay yung sinabi niya about you. Talagang pinataob mo talaga yung competition. And if that was your winning piece, yung mga kalaban mo ngayon siguro nanginginig na. Because you really did a heck of a job by doing that. And your runs were effortless. Yun ang masasabi ko. Talagang it just came so naturally. Sobrang flawless. Congrats.
Thank you po, sir.
Miss Pops?
Alam mo, Riel, naiinis ako sa'yo. Kasi ang ganda ng boses mo. Grabe. Tama yon, effortless. This is such a beautiful song. The first time I heard South Border perform this song, na-in love na kagad ako kasi lyrics pa lang, melody, it's nakaka-in love. But the way you deliver the song, you made it your own, mas nakaka-in love pa because you added your own style to it, which sinabi na ng aking dalawang napakagaling na judges din, it was so effortless. Ang sarap pakinggan, effortless, and yet the effort, the power is there. So, ang hirap naman itong contest. At you know what makes it even more challenging is napaka-iksi nung kanta. Bawat kanta nila is maiksi. So they really, each singer has to deliver on that short time. At so far, ang gagaling nila. Ano ba?
Thank you po.
Congrats, Riel. Ang galing mo. Ang ganda ng boses.
Thank you po.
Thank you, judges and Riel.
Grabe, Riel.
Nakakaiyak naman kasi talaga yung
Oo,
pag-perform.
wag ka na umiyak.
Oo.
Alam mo, bukod sa ganda ng mga komento ng ating mga judges, I believe that you gained new fans sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa'yo.
Thanks!
Oh my gosh. Alam mo, kaya ka nag-champion eh, no? Baka talaga. Alam mo, hindi si John Rex kasi, nabibilib kami sa kanya kasi isa siya talaga sa may pinakamalinis kumanta. Tsaka gusto namin yung clarity ng boses and sobrang grabe. You were so proud of
Dumoble
you.
pogi mo, bro.
Oh, yeah! And, syempre si Miss Ku, di ba? Sobrang proud siya sa'yo, for sure. Ngayon naman, tanungin natin ang ating judges kung nagustuhan ba nila ang iyong version. Sir Ding Dong?
Well, kung nagustuhan ko, absolutely. Gusto ko yung timbre mo, John Rex. Sobra akong, there's a feeling na parang yung kinakanta mo talagang, tumatagos siya eh. I love the way your voice soars. And then, it's really piercing. And I love the song, the choice, Until I Met You, tapos version ng lalaki. Kasi syempre, familiar tayo sa version ni Ku. Pero yung sa'yo, I had a different experience listening to you sing it. And you're a really, really great singer. Galing.
Alright, Sir Louie.
Alam mo, sumasakit ang ulo ko kasi ang gagaling yung lahat eh. Ang hirap. Ay, basta ang gagaling. John, I didn't expect this, no? Your phrasing ng pag-awit mo kanina was so unpredictable. you were giving your own interpretation for the song, no? And Ku, I'm sure si Ku will be so proud of you. You did a very good job. I like the quality of your voice. Again, ulitin ko yung phrasing mo. And then, you gave it a big bang sa ending. So, beginning to end, eto na naman, pasabog kayong lahat. Alam mo kayong lahat, best of the best nga talaga dito sa Sing My Song. So, congratulations. Congratulations.
Miss Pops?
Ako rin hindi ko expected. I was actually quite curious nung sinabing Cool Ledesma song, pero it will be sung by a male. So John Rex, you gave this song is now, parang ikaw na yan. You turned it into your song. Napakaganda ng quality ng voice mo. And just when I thought, naku, bibirit siya, ending, in-attack mo differently. You know, it's a singing contest. There is so much power. There is so much strength. And yet, yung voice mo, tama, parang nagpa-float pa rin siya till the very end. There's so much feeling. There's so much emotion. Parang kinantahan mo, ako lang ang kinantahan mo, John Rex. Dahil
Sama mo naman kami.
pero parang dinedicate lang niya. Di ba? Parang pag pinapanood mo siya at kumakanta siya, parang sa'yo, yung sino yung nanonood, parang sa akin lang yun. Parang ganon. And yun na nga, that's where the emotions and the feelings and of course your own rendition of this song. Congratulations, John Rex.
Thank you, judges. Nice one, brother. Alright, 5 finalists, pero isa lang ang tatanghaling grand winner. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng judges na bumuo ng kanilang desisyon. At ito na nga ang grand face-off ng Sing My Song.
Siyempre, kasama na ulit natin ang ating 5 finalists na sina Osang, Thea, Viana, Riel, and John Rex.
Iba't ibang atake at styles, pero isa lang ang tatanghaling grand winner at mag-uuwi ng 100,000 pesos cash! At syempre, ang ating non-winners will also get a consolation prize as well.
Oras na para alamin ang desisyon ng ating judges. At syempre, nagpapasalamat po kami, of course, to our OPM icons, Mr. Dingdong Avansado, Mr. Louie Acampo, and Miss Pops Fernandez. Miss Pops, as the head of our judging panel, kayo na po ang aming tatanungin. Sino po sa ating 5 finalists ang tatanghaling grand winner ng AOS Sing My Song?
Unang-una, we had such a hard time deciding dahil lahat sila, parati ito sinasabi, di ba, magagaling. Dahil po totoo yan, napakagaling nilang lahat. At kanya-kanyang flavor ang narinig namin ngayong araw na to. So it made it very difficult for us to really decide kumbaga umasa na lang kami sa iba't ibang score namin. Yun. And that's what happened. And I think ang nangyari is, ang ating grand winner is by point something. 0.3 ang lamang because ganon ka-close ang score namin. Dahil nga nahirapan kami sa pagpili ng grand winner. Eto na. Ang Sing My Song grand winner para sa amin ay si... Ang Sing My Song grand winner is John Rex!
Oh! Congratulations, John Rex! Ikaw ang grand winner ng Sing My Song!
Let's go, John Rex! Wow! Grabe, John Rex! Naging nostalgic ba? Naging
Uy,
nostalgic.
ang totoo po talaga, nung nasa likod po, kinakabahan po talaga po ako sa inyong tatlo po. Kaya, I'm just so happy. Salamat po na napakinggan niyo po kaming lahat. And ina-appreciate niyo kaming lahat. Yun po yung pinakamalaking gift sa amin, na na-appreciate niyo kami. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much.
Alright, congratulations, John Rex! May message ka ba para sa ating icon na si Miss Ku Ledesma?
Yes. To be honest, Miss Ku, kanina po nung nakatayo ako, nung hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung message niyo sa akin, kinakabahan ako. Totoo po talaga yon. Tapos nung narinig ko yung message niyo, pinalakas niyo po yung loob ko. Kaya maraming salamat. I will forever remember this and lagi kong kakantahin doon till I met you. For you.
Alright, congratulations,
Thank you
bro!
po.
At syempre, palakpakan rin natin ang ating mga finalists na sina Osang, Thea, Viana, Riel. Napakahusay, napakagaling ninyong lahat. Grabe. And once again, John Rex, congratulations, brother.
Thank you so much.
Yes! Let's go! Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga contenders na sumali at lumaban on this stage. At syempre sa ating mga OPM icons na nakasama natin these past few months.
Salamat sa inspirasyon, saya at musika hatid ninyong lahat. Dito na nagtatapos ang pinakamasayang singing competition on AOS. Ito ang
Sing My Song! And once again, thank you so much, Sir Dingdong, Maestro Louie, and Miss Pops for
Thank you
being
po.
here. Such
Maraming
an
salamat.
honor. And once again, our Sing My Song grand winner, John Rex!